I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 6 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is light. And I've got this lamp. It's something in a vibrant red. And I've got this image. And I got this bottle of pom-poms. It's sort of like an online thing where you, a box, and they kept adding stuff. Or they had stuff and you, they drew names or something and picked whether you said whether you wanted it or not. So there were other things that I wanted in there, but I got that bottle of pom-poms too. So you can always use pom-poms. Corrugated cardboard, and I've got just a little bit. I just clipped this off of something that I do with my jelly plants. And postcard piece. I've got this teeny tiny little postcard and an office supply. I've got staples, and the bonus is rubber stamping. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty. Well, I got my background paper. I had some scraps. I'm trying to get rid of stuff, so I figure it's a good time to try to use up my scraps. So that's going to be my background. And so I'm going to just do this randomly. It's just cat eyes. I thought it would be fun. No particular reason. I just happen to have these stamps on my desk, so, and you can't even see it. So I may have to go back with I'm doing it in gold because I thought that would be kind of neat, sort of like my splatters. But I may have to come back in a different color. We'll see. If nothing else is done. I'm just trying to get something down. My bird's going to cover up most of this anyway. I just thought it being a bird having cat eyes, so. All right, so now let's see what we're going to do here. This one is kind of to the side, so I can put that there. I could add, let's see here. Or I could do a smaller one. I don't have to use both of them. Just need to get it down. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my bird down, but I'm not going to go, I can go to the edge on that one. But on the other side, I'm going to try to remember not to go to the edge. And I just used this glue because I just put down my background paper. And it wants to stop up. So come on now. I don't know why we have to go through this every time. Sorry, like I said, I just used it, so. And I'm gonna do the bottom, but I'm gonna kind of just leave myself just a little room in case I want to tuck it down. All right. His little beak was kind of put off just a tad, and I'm just gonna put that pom-pom on here. We'll glue that down. I'm just gonna put a dab of glue there and add that pom-pom. I just thought it'd be cute. It's not overly big, so maybe it won't cause me any problems. All right. And now I'll come back with the diversifying black and cat eyes. Alright, and I'm just going to kind of, forgot to ink that one. I may just give myself an edge with this black to make it pop a little more. And put that down. And my lamp. Okay. Now, maybe add that there. I think I'll leave that where that is. And let's see here. I want to add some of this, and I am just going to staple that on. Make sure I'm not well, shoot. All right. And let me go ahead and get this down. Now, it looks a little bare to me, so let's see what else we can add. I could put a little bit more of the cardboard. I won't be able to staple that one. And maybe a bit. Right there. Don't know why. Okay. Now let's see what else I have. Wished I had some teeny tiny butterflies, but I don't think I do. Let's see what I do have. I like that. Let's see here. Got one pointing this away that I could. And I had a little teeny tiny one. Cute. Let's see here. I've got this, since this is a postcard, so I can add that, and I believe I'm going to go do that. I'm just going to add stuff till I like it. It makes no sense, but doesn't mean I don't like it. That's half the fun. A collage, it doesn't have to make sense. It doesn't have to be themed. I'm just doing what she wants and using the prompts and just trying to make it look pleasing to the eye. There we go now. There's something else I can use. Oh, found another one. Would have used it instead of that tiny one. If I can get it up. Yeah. I like this one better, a little bit bigger. I can go on his hat. Doesn't have to make sense, like I said. All right. This is just called using up a lot of what I have. I don't know. Let's see what else I have here. I got something in all of this. I think most of these are going to be too big. I feel like I need a little something. This is probably too big though. And yeah. Don't know. That'll give me that little bit of gold I want. And I think I will do the gold splatters. I'll do the butterfly. If I can get it. Well, I think this is one I have to cut around. So I'll see what else I have. Got a little bit of yellow there. So I'll put that there. All right. Now, I'll grab my gold paint. Sure and put my pen back. And let's get this gold activated. Not enough. That's the key to good splatters of watercolor. You want to make sure you have enough water in your paint. Alrighty, so let's see what we have. We have got a light. We've got something that's a vibrant red, corrugated cardboard, a postcard or a piece. We've got a tiny postcard, an office supply. We've got staples. In the bonus, we've got some rubber stamping. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Y'all take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP6 to see what everyone else has made. I love y'all. Take care. And until next time, bye y'all.